What's the one thing that I have to have when baking cakes? It's a really simple and inexpensive tool that can be used for a ton of different things. Hey, I'm Kara Jane with Ice Cream for Buttercream, and today I want to share with you my favorite tool I use when I'm baking cakes. It's a really simple tool. You might think it would be a mixer, which you do actually need when you're baking cakes, but what I want to talk about today is a simple and inexpensive silicone spatula. I don't really know how I managed to make it this long without using one of these when I'm baking cakes, but these things can be used for so many different things, and they're really going to make your caking life a lot easier. These are the ones I have. I have a bunch of them, but they come in different sizes and shapes. You can see some of them are flat, and then some of them have kind of curved edges to them. You can get them in smaller, large. This is a large one. And then this is a cute set that I got through Amazon, but they're a little bit different. They're kind of curved, and on the back side they have measurement conversions, and then you have a little tiny one. But they all come in different sizes and shapes. You can get wooden handles, or you can get the ones with plastic handles. I'm pretty picky when it comes to picking out the different spatulas. I want good quality spatulas. Sometimes I'm too lazy and I don't want to wash them by hand. I just want to stick them in the dishwasher. But it's really important to get the good kind and not the super cheap kind. I've tried them at dollar stores, and sometimes you can get lucky, but sometimes this part here will pull off of it, and then sometimes it will just completely break off. So make sure that you're looking at good quality ones. So let's talk about how you can use these things to make your baking life a lot easier. So first, you can use them to add ingredients to your cake batter or to your mixing bowl. So if I'm measuring out sour cream or something like that, and I need to get everything out of that measuring cup, the super small ones are really great for that. I also like to use them for scraping down the side of the bowl as I'm mixing the cake batter. They are great for getting all of the cake batter out of your mixing bowl and into your baking pans. And I like to use the flatter silicone spatulas to sort of mash out any bubbles that I might have in my buttercream before I go and ice the cake. So what you can do is add your buttercream to a shallow plastic container and then sort of mash it around with your flat spatula, mashing out any air bubbles, and then you can mix it with that and it'll really smooth the buttercream. So you're not going to get so many bubbles around your cake as you're trying to ice your cake. And my favorite thing to use them for is to use them for licking the cake batter or the buttercream. You could really get around and get everything out of your mixing bowl. That's probably not a good thing to do. So pretty much if you don't have any of these, you are really missing out. Make sure to go get some. I'm going to put some links in the description below where you can find some that are similar to mine and what I use. And I really encourage you to go and at least get one and just try it out and see if you love it as much as I do. So now it is your turn to tell me if you love these things as much as I do, or if you have your own caking or baking tool that you love even more. Just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time.